First, let's take the Ascent light as an example. Remove the coaxial cable. Gently pry up the coaxial cable head from the side using tweezers. Replace the camera in coaxial cable. Replace it in the same way and press it firmly with your fingers. Finally, the coaxial cables for Ascent and Avatar video transmissions are interchangeable. The installation and removal steps are the same.